Tired of paying hefty cable bills and missing out on your favorite local channels? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. HIDB TV Antenna. The HIDB TV antenna caught my attention with its strong magnetic base and impressive price of $19.98. If you want to watch local channels without the hassle of cable, this is worth a serious look. This antenna can pull in 120 channels and boasts a range of up to 792,000 feet, which is incredible. The 4K 1080p picture quality means you can enjoy crystal clear images on your smart TV. Plus, it's designed with an eco-friendly flame retardant material, so safety is a priority here. This matters because it means you can confidently set it up in your home without worrying about hazards. With over 10,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that many people are making the switch to this antenna. Now, some people complained about the setup instructions being a bit vague. Here's the thing though, as long as you're willing to fiddle a bit to find the optimal spot for it, you'll likely be rewarded with great reception. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious viewer looking to cut the cord. Skip this one if you live in an area with lots of obstructions, as that might affect signal quality. At this price, it's a solid investment for free TV. Now, if the complexity of setup bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Dant TV Antenna. The Dant TV antenna priced at $18.99, and it really piqued my interest with its long range and impressive channel support. If you want a straightforward solution for local broadcasting, this is worth your attention. This antenna supports up to 600 channels and can reach an astonishing maximum range of about 1,448,409.6 meters. It also features a 16-foot coaxial cable that ensures a strong signal even during bad weather, which is crucial for uninterrupted viewing. What's great here is that it incorporates an upgraded Smart IC chip to deliver 4K UHD and 1080p broadcasts. Here's why this matters. You won't just see a clear picture, you'll also enjoy all the details that make your favorite shows pop. However, some users reported that it didn't work well with older TV models. Honestly, if you have a smart TV or a digital TV, you'll likely have no issues, but it's something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you're someone who wants a hassle-free installation process. Skip this one if your TV is older and doesn't support digital reception. It's a great value for those who want to enjoy free local channels without the fuss. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for amplifying your signal. Product number 3, the Learwin TV Antenna. The Learwin TV Antenna is my next pick at $32.99, and I was impressed by its versatility and robust signal reception. If you're after a reliable signal booster for local channels, this is definitely worth checking out. This one supports reception for 100 channels and boasts a maximum range of 1,584,000 feet, which is remarkable. Its magnetic base allows for both indoor and outdoor use. The 18-foot coaxial cable is thick and designed to deliver 4K signals stably, reducing the chances of signal loss. This matters because a stable connection can make or break your viewing experience, especially in bad weather. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that people are finding success with this antenna. But I did notice some complaints about the installation process being a tad tricky for some users. Look, if you're comfortable adjusting the position and experimenting a bit, you'll probably be fine, but it might frustrate those who want plug-and-play simplicity. This is perfect for you if you're eager to watch full HD channels without spending a fortune. Skip this if you want something that works right out of the box without any adjustments. It offers solid value for those prioritizing signal quality. Now, if the need for extensive setup put you off, the next one might offer a more user-friendly experience. Product number 4, BEI MQN TV Antenna. We have the BEI MQN TV Antenna, which retails for $29.98. Honestly, I was drawn to its compact design and strong magnetic base. If you want an antenna that's easy to set up and delivers great signal clarity, this one is worth considering. This antenna covers all VHF/UHF frequency bands, promising excellent signal clarity and reception with its built-in intelligent IC chip. The 16.5-foot cable ensures you can place it where you need it most. This means you won't have to worry about losing signal quality just because of your setup. With thousands sold in the last month, it's clear that this option is popular among users. However, some users mentioned that it could struggle in areas with lots of interference. Here's the thing though, if you live in a location with a clear line to the broadcast towers, you're likely to have a smooth experience. This is perfect for you if you want something compact that doesn't take up much space. Skip this if you live in a highly congested area where interference is a major concern. For its price, it offers great value for anyone looking to save on cable bills. Now, if you want something even more high-powered, the next product is definitely worth your attention.
Product number 5, the Hidemi TV antenna. This is a bit pricier at $112.99. I was curious about its extensive range and features. If you're serious about getting the best reception possible, this could be the antenna for you. This one promises a reception range of over 600 miles, which is incredible. It supports 4K, 8K, and HD signals, ensuring you can access hundreds of channels without pixelation. This means you can enjoy all your favorite programming without interruptions, making it great for sports or live events. The 33-foot cable allows for flexible installation options, whether indoors or outdoors. Over 2,000 units sold recently indicate that many users trust this brand. On the downside, some have complained about the high price and that it might be overkill for casual viewers. But honestly, if you're someone who really values high-quality reception and has a bit more to spend, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're an avid TV watcher who wants the best possible signal. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or if you only watch a couple of channels. Overall, it's a solid choice for serious viewers looking to ditch cable. Now, let's wrap things up by comparing these options. We've looked at the HIDB TV antenna, DAN-TT TV antenna, Learwin TV antenna, BEIMQN TV antenna, and the HIDEMI TV antenna. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the DAN-TT TV antenna because of its exceptional range and channel support at a great price. I'd recommend avoiding the HIDEMI TV antenna if you're not ready to spend more for premium features. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.